Hi group, this is I, Hamilton Guevara Quijada, a student of the agronomy program of the UNAP in the CEAP Turbo Antioquia. I am currently in the 7th semester. I work in a liquor store in my municipality, where I have been working for 3 years. This is my family. My wife, Sandra Milena Palacios, and my son, Greg Steven Guevara Palacios. Step 1. Tips to go to the Hotel Marianza. Occasion, I went to the Hotel Marianza in Necoclí, Antioquia. I was there 2 days and I went with my family. I liked it because there were many places to visit. For example, I went to the lake with my wife and I liked it a lot. I was in the pool with my son and had a great time. We paid around 500,000 pesos for all the expenses included. I came back 2 days ago because last Monday. Stage 2. The weather in the Urabá. The weather in Urabá, Antioquia is very sunny. It's you think of going to the beach, all right. Fortunately, there is a beautiful sea and a strong breeze that refreshes you. Recommendation. It is important that people who visit us use sunscreen. Recommendation number 2. It's important that people who visit us bring fresh clothes. It's important who visit us bring umbrella. Stage 3. What you should do. Turbo Antioquia is a good place to spend a good holiday. They should make hotel reservation over time. Turbo has many places touristic to visit and an excellent weather sunny. They should go to the vacation. It's going to be where you can enjoy to the sea and the breeze. They had better know to swim to avoid inconvenience. They should visit the restaurant. There are also excellent places to eat and have a good time. What you shouldn't do. People shouldn't exit without an umbrella and without sunblock because the weather is very sunny. Thank you. Bye bye.